The judge's pen hovered for a second. Then she shouted.
Wait, don't sign it. What?
The room stilled, because just hours earlier, she was the one who filed the restraining order, hand steady, voice certain, but now she couldn't even stand still. She said she made a mistake, that her husband hadn't threatened her. Not really. That the message she showed the court was taken out of fear, not context. Days ago, she read his words in the worst way possible, imagined intent where there was only frustration. But by the time she understood, the process had already begun. The judge didn't look at the paper. He looked at her long enough that the silence started to feel heavier than the accusation. "You didn't misunderstand the law," he said quietly. "You misunderstood the weight of using it." Her voice broke as she tried to explain, not for herself, but for him, because if the order stood, one wrong step could turn confusion into a criminal record. For a moment, it felt like the outcome might bend, like intention could undo consequence. But the judge exhaled, steady and certain. "This court doesn't punish mistakes," he said, "but it cannot pretend they don't exist once they've been set in motion." The pen touched the paper, not because she was right, and not because she was wrong, but because responsibility doesn't disappear when fear changes its mind. And as the ink settled, she realized something no one had explained to her before. Some decisions ask for attention. Others demand consequences, so pay attention to the ones that quietly change everything.